Hey everybody, it's Gavin. Welcome back to another storm chase. The Storm Prediction Center had a severe weather risk for a huge chunk of the country. In my area in southern Ohio, we were under a slight risk of additional 2% tornado risk that was also issued for the whole entire state of Ohio, except for the southeast corner of the state. There were multiple supercells that developed in Ohio today. With one of them was tornado warning just west of Columbus. The one that came through my area was tornadic, producing a multi-vortex EF4 tornado that you'll see in the video. So let's get right into the video, and I'll see you guys in just a minute. Hey everybody, it's Cav. Welcome back to another video. I don't know how long this will be. There was a lightning bolt. I have to get up early in the morning. I have to be at work at 8 a.m. But this supercell is headed towards Leesburg, but it's close enough you can see it. This supercell is actually moving due southeast towards me. I did not recognize it when documenting the storm, but it was moving due southeast towards me. I said later in the video, you'll hear me say that it was moving due southeast because I did recognize it further in the video. And I'll have an image of the supercell up at a point in the video I'll show you. So I might just I might get up earlier in the morning and take a shower in the morning. Walking down here for you guys. This is dangerous. This is extremely dangerous. This power line's coming down on me. But honestly, I think the storm is too far away to do any actual wind damage. Here's the corner of it. Oh, there's another one. Okay, guys, this has some energy behind it. It's to the north. It should be entering Leesburg. Little broke down there, Samantha. Just a little, because it's a few houses and a church. But it's coming here, but it's actually hitting Leesburg, which is down there in the north. I'm closer to I live in Hillsboro, Ohio, but I'm closer to Leesburg than I am Hillsboro. Whoa, my God. That was incredible. I'm so glad I am filming this for you guys. This is a beautiful storm. I love supercells like this. And this guy just has some serious energy behind it. Serious energy behind it. Oh my god, guys. This is a powerful supercell. This is a powerful supercell. There's actually right a warned supercell. I don't know if there's right on the ground or not, but there was one. That was north. Just west, north. West, north of me is west of the state capital, Columbus, Ohio. That was tornado warned. I don't know if it was a confirmed tornado or not. I'm waiting on to hear from that. But it says radar indicated tornado. You know, honestly, even not being an actual storm itself, being on the outs, skirts of it. Oh, there's the moon. I don't know if the camera's picking. There it is. That's the moon, right over there. And being on the edge of this makes a very, makes it very, very good for lightning purposes, and it's still light enough. You can see the storm and all lightning with it. Even though it didn't directly hit me, I still got a storm today. Just assuming. This is a very, very powerful supercell, guys. Lightning's just going nuts with this. Here's the edge of it. Got my camera zoomed out so I can get all the lightning on. We can't do much about the trees over there. Over here I got camera zoomed out so I can get all the lightning. I can for you guys on camera myself too, and as I like seeing lightning. Supercells are the most powerful, and then we breed a thunderstorm. This is very, very dangerous for me to be standing out here with lightning activity. This intense. There's another one. This is probably gonna be a shorter video. Lightning just going crazy with this. Thunder, you're crackle, cracking in the thunder caused by the, the different limbs branching out and the lightning bolts, causes that crackle and the thunder. Whoa, that was right over my head, guys. That was right over my head. This is very, very dangerous for me to be out in. No car or anything. Cracking that one. Cracking that one. Oh, here comes the rain. It's raining. We got hit by like the outer edge of this. So here's the outer edge of it. So whoa. That's funny. I was just telling my grandparents yesterday's EF4. That I love it. I would love to see more lightning. Lightning. Anvil crawler lightning is what this is called, guys. Like this, or spider, also known as spider lightning. And it's not common. It's very, very, spider lightning is very, very common like this. But it takes very, very, rain-free base and cloud, beneath a powerful thunderstorm to reveal it to you. But it's not uncommon. Definitely with powerful supercells like this. I thought this might actually be coming towards me, guys. Our radar is moving east and south of me. Here is a radar image of the supercell I told you I'd put up. Also, if you look at the leading edge of the supercell, like I said, it was moving southeast. You will see a V shape on the leading edge of the storm. Wow. Which, when you see that V shape on the leading edge of the supercell, you know that that's dangerous. I got to see a supercell spider lightning, which I've been wanting to see again for a long time. Yeah, guys, it's coming towards me. Whoa, it's right over my head. We're about to get hit hard, guys, I think. We're about to get hit very hard. No tornado warning yet. Cracking that one. And that's like you see when it's branching out, the lightnings. That is caused by the guys, this is a deadly storm. I wouldn't be surprised if this goes tornado warned. It definitely has enough energy in it for a tornado. Hold on a minute. I'm getting up really early and taking a shower early in the morning. I ain't missing this. Come look at this. This has incredible spider lightning with it. I'm talking about all these two I've been wanting to see. And it's coming this way. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing produces a tornado. It definitely has enough energy for it.
Oh, you didn't see nothing. You ain't seen nothing yet.
Whoa, that was good.
Spider lightning, what I've been talking about. It wasn't a strike, but it was spider lightning where it crawls through the anvil. It's part of this.
Lightning over there, but that was.
Yeah, I did see some strikes down that way. Yeah. But this is a powerful storm.
Sounds like a thunderstorm, baby doll.
On radar, it's going. Well, that's what I'm saying. On radar, it was moving east, but as I noticed that the clouds were coming this way, there's lightning behind the house too. I don't know if it shifted. I can't look at the radar now if I'm recording, but I don't know if it shifted directions or what. But this is a powerful supercell. It says it has 1 inch hail.
Here.
Right, but that there.
Wow, did you see that streak?
Yeah, I saw. I mean, if you want me to, when I get to my channel,
No, honey, it's fine.
I'll show you. But this lightning is going. Well, I've been talking about just a couple of days ago. I wanted to see light.
I know. Well, you're seeing it. I told you this was common around here.
Right.
Whoa, did you see that?
Yeah, this definitely has enough energy in it for a tornado. This definitely has enough energy in it for a tornado.
Yeah, nice thunderstorm, lightning and thunderstorm.
She has a crack in that too, a crack in the thunder. But it was going east, but now I've noticed it's right there's the edge of the storm, right where it's right here, and I think it's coming. I don't know, it might shift directions, but it was going towards Leesburg, but it's moving this way now. Yeah, I can get up early in the morning and take a shower. I'm not missing this. Oh, I'll get it after. I don't know how. I'm not going to try to record all of this, but here comes the rain.
You got the biggest part of it, though.
But yeah, this on radar was a supercell. It's a very powerful supercell. Here comes the rain. It says it has 1 inch hail with it too. I'll be in a couple minutes. Whoa!
That was a good one.
Lightning is going crazy with this.
A lot of static in there.
Yeah, a lot of static electricity. I was standing down there to get around the trees, but a lot of lightning was. Yeah, it's raining now. I think it did shift direction. I think it did shift directions. I think according to this, it's going. It did. It shifted directions. It was going that way. I think it's going this way now. It was headed towards over Leesburg, but. I'm almost at 20 minutes. I'll end it at 20 minutes and I'll go in and get a shower.
Don't have to take a fast, take a quick shower. You're not thirsty.
Whoa! Yeah. I've been waiting years to see another storm like this.
I told you that's typical lightning that I see. This is what I've seen.
Right. But, you know, this is anvil crawler lightning. It takes very, very powerful thunderstorm with, you know, phase 3 conditions to say to reveal it to you.
There's more coming over that way, too.
Over this way?
Yeah, there was just lightning over that way.
It's coming out of the west. It came out of Wilmington.
Yeah.
And it was headed towards Leesburg. Like I said, I think it might have shifted a little bit.
This is what happens when you feed a thunderstorm 3000 Cape.
This is a very, 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 very powerful supercell, guys. Supercell thunderstorm, guys. probably gonna dark here soon anyways. And I gotta go in, gotta get a shower. I gotta get up at 6:30 to go for work in the morning. But I'm glad I finally got to see another lightning storm, like, you know, another. Yeah, I think the precipitation is blocking most of the anvil color lightning now. It's just flashes, not bolts. If I didn't have to work in the morning, guys, I would stay up and get more of this for you. But I'm at, you know, over 20 minutes now, so I should probably go ahead and end this here. So I would love to be able to get more of this for you guys. But I really gotta get ready. There's the edge of it right here. Well, this isn't still just, I mean, it isn't a tornado, but it's still extremely powerful supercell with anvil color lightning, also known as spider lightning. But I gotta kind of be an adult now. I gotta go get ready for bed. I gotta be up at 6:30 in the morning. So I want to end this here. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Like I said, I told my grandma and stuff, you know, I've been waiting for another supercell like this for years. I mean, literally years. But unfortunately, I can't stand here and record almost the whole thing. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, leave your comments down below. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, get all my videos. I try to upload, you know, for you guys as much as possible. And like I said, I would record more of this if I could, but you know, I have work in the morning. I can't miss work, can't be late to work. It's only my 3rd day, so, yeah, you know, I try to get much of everything. I try to get, you know, much content and good content as I can for you guys, and hopefully within a year, you know, into, you know, beginning of next, hopefully within a year or two, I'll be actually chasing for you guys like I want to, and just I obviously have passion for weather. You know, I love weather, and I want to chase. I want to chase more for you guys. You know, chase for you guys. Actually chase. I consider myself a storm chaser. You know, I can't actually go out and do it yet. But you know, you know, I can't. Hopefully within a year or two, you know, I'll be actually chasing like one, two, enjoying and getting footage for you guys. And I would like to maybe be future, probably no later future, more than likely. I hope not too long later future. I'd like maybe even, you know, maybe try to go to school for meteorology, you know, so I can chase, you know, you know, meteorology, you know, chase for you guys and be able to do as a living and make money off it and relate it, so like, you know, like if you ever watch meteorology Storm Chasers, you know what I'm talking about. Like the show that used to be on Storm Chasers, I think they actually, you know, they did actually put that back on the, you know, TV. Took it off for a while with a few storms. The Storm Chasers died. You know, I know it was a long time ago, my heart do go out to those people that died in the family, you know, because that was one of my favorite shows and I loved always watching them. I read Timmer, a meteorologist. He still chases and everything to this day. He's actually, one of that, helped, a lot inspired to me, since I was young, just maybe do this one day. And then Tornado Chaser, which Reed Timmer did. I don't know if it's actually on TV. I know it's on YouTube. But he did all the spin-off he did of Storm Chaser in memory of the ones that died. So I'd like, far future, maybe I'm not gonna wrap this up. I would like, maybe far future, go to school for meteorology. Maybe one day. And not soon, but not far future either, hopefully. So yeah, enough of me rambling on. Like I said, guys, leave a like if you like the video. Comment down below. I always read your comments if I see them and reply to them when I can. Leave your questions in below. I do know a lot about weather. I'll answer them if I can. I can possibly look it up for you. And subscribe to my channel. That'd help me out a lot. And there's a bee right there. That's a wood bee. Carpenter bee. Turn my channel. That'd help me a lot. I try to get as much stuff as I can for you guys. I think just one did shift. Alright. I gotta go be an adult now. So I love you guys, and I'll hopefully see you soon. I don't know when next time we're supposed to have severe weather is. But this makes like the month. The only thing that would beat this for the month would be his tornado. And like I said, this definitely does have enough energy in it for a tornado. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Alright guys, let's get back on. Supercell went tornado warned.
Like I said, this supercell did end up going tornadic, producing a multi-vortex.
It did go tornado warned. Tornado warned storm. Beautiful tornado warned supercell. I was telling my grandparents, just heard me in the video before, well, I was on a few minutes ago, you say, a supercell with this much energy definitely has enough energy in it for a tornado. It is tornado warned. I don't know if it's tornadic yet, but it's tornado warned. This might be a storm of the year, guys. Tornado warned storm. I didn't even think this, I was going to record, guys. I didn't even think this was headed this way, and it is. Tornado warned supercell. That could be the mesocyclone over there, guys. tornado warning storm. See if it decides as it has enough power to drop one. I ain't missing this, guys. Not missing this. It's not a tornado over there, is it? Let me reach over there, guys. I decided to go and take my shower in the morning. This is a tornado warning storm. I don't know if it's tornadic yet, but it's a tornado warning supercell. Definitely have enough energy for a tornado. I'll go, yeah, news on, I'll go in real quick and there's rotation over there, guys. Of course, the whole thing's rotating. It's a supercell. Whole supercell rotates with rotating winds, but I haven't seen a tornado yet. right there is where I need to watch for the tornado. I know exactly where I need to watch. Hey guys, that could be coming down. That could be coming down. I can't believe this. This is incredible. Incredible 21 supercell. And it's in daylight so I can actually see it. Gosh, I think that's the 2 double lightning strikes over there. Guys, this is definitely funnel cloud. I think that's funnel cloud. Looks like a funnel cloud. Oh my gosh. Guys, that could be coming down right there. This is the mesocyclone. Just lost my shoe. Oh my gosh.
I know.
Okay, this is a straight line wind's coming. That's the mesocyclone over there. If there's going to be a tornado, it's going to be over there. Sorry I cut the video. Sorry guys, I bumped it with my phone again, cut the video off. Again, that was my fault. There's that's the mesocyclone there. That's wall climb mesocyclone over there. There drops the tornado. It's going to be over there. There's straight line winds coming. This is straight line winds, probably gonna be rotating wind. This is straight line, but I thought, I just swore, I read, it said that tornadoes have, or supercells have rotating winds, but the whole supercell itself.
Did you see that lightning bolt?
Where?
Oh my god, it was over here. It was probably, oh my god, it was wide. It looked like it hit the ground.
If there's a tornado, it's gonna be over there. Where that base is, that's the mesocyclone.
Yep, he said that even if you don't see a tornado, he said straight line winds are very, very possible.
I thought supercells have rotating winds. Well, I think they can produce both.
He said there were 60. There's another lightning mist
I saw it
over the way.
in my corner. I'm focused on over here, but if there's a tornado, it's going to be right here.
Well,
I think that's a funnel cloud.
no, that's not close.
It's hard to see because there's no right, but maybe Scud. Here comes the wind.
Yep. He said
Does he say how strong the winds were?
yes, 60
68?
He said, get them in, get them off. He said, let him in his car. Tell him to hit the ditch.
Did they say 60?
68 miles per hour.
60, that's-
Hit Wilmington.
I'll get up on the porch. Wait, it doesn't.
Yeah, he's got it. He's tracking it. Every penny of it. This guy, this gum.
The meteorologist?
Yes.
This is a very, very powerful
That's what he
supercell.
said. This is one of the most powerful one's been around lately.
I was going to say, I
This
have
picture I have up on the
yeah,
screen
if there's a
was
big
a
good drops
picture
of
of the
tornado, it's going to be
multi-vortex
right where that base is, right where that
EF4 tornado.
mesocyclone wall cloud is.
If you look closely at the structure of
Right
this
here.
tornado, you can see the multi-vortex structure. You can also see the tornado in the actual
That could be
video off
dropping
in the
one right
distance
there.
if you look close.
What's it look like? Nope.
Is there one-sided?
It's not. It's gone.
It could be funnel cloud. It's trying to produce a tornado. It looks like it's trying to produce a tornado, but it hasn't done it yet.
He said the problem. He says even if there isn't a tornado, he says the straight line winds. He says what you have to worry about right now. He says because they're dangerous. He says they're going to take down houses and trees, and
This is the most intense and beautiful supercell I've ever seen in my entire life. And it's tornadic. It's not tornadic, but it's tornado warned. It could go tornadic.
well, yeah, that's what he said. I don't like the clouds out this way either. But anyway, it's north of Highland, which is north of us, and heading north about Leesburg.
Here it comes. Yep, here it comes. I'll be in a minute.
Now, guys.
I'll be in a minute. Let me end this video real quick, and I'll be in.
The wind's picking up bad. Okay, go.
That mesocyclone was right over there.
Yeah.
You could see the wall cloud and the shape
that
of it.
light is just messing you up, baby.
No, it's not. It's helping.
It's not improving your picture, baby. It's not.
It does.
What?
She's telling us light, the light being on. I have it. It's hooked to the camera. I
Yeah.
can set it up to do that because it helps keep it lighter.
But it blocks your picture out there, baby. I'm telling you. Your picture's
Try
better with
to
it
do it
off.
without your camera on. Without your, I don't know. But when it light.
Oh,
There, did you see that? That hit the ground.
that was a lightning strike. That was a TG.
I hit the one.
This is the most powerful and prettiest supercell I've ever seen in my entire life.
Well, you'll have. See, stick around, grab me a cactus, honey. Come on, don't use a potty.
The last time I saw a supercell that produced intensity like this, well, I think it was that one when I was younger. I was watching on the front porch.
Yep, right here on this front porch.
The difference in that one and this one is this one's tornado warned, that one wasn't.
Did he use a potty?
Come on.
I don't think it would make a difference if the camera, the light being on or not.
It does, baby. It blocks your view out that you're after.
Oh, okay, well. I'm gonna, ooh! Did you see that?
Yes, I did. But what it's doing is make your picture so light you're not going to see that like you did if it was dark.
Hold on.
Come on, Anya. Let's go in,
Mommy,
baby.
come on.
Anya, she's going out in the grass.
Everybody.
Let's have to potty.
She's potty.
Can't see the. Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to go here. I gotta get what this was. It's not tornadic yet, but it was tornado warned. Ooh, there's another CG.
Okay, there you go. Come on, baby doll.
Come on, baby. We're going to go back in.
Alright, guys.
Anya, come on, baby.
Um,
Go back in.
I don't know when I'm gonna get any more weather. Severe weather.
This house is going towards Leesburg.
Yeah, it's moved on to the north, it looks like. Leave your
This supercell was moving due
Let me
southeast,
like
like I said. The
enjoyed it.
tornado I found out was moving east,
you know,
so
comments down below. I'll read them if I I try to read all of them if I see them and reply to all of them if I see them. And if I have any questions, I can try to answer them for you guys, and I can probably look them up. This was a tornado warned supercell, but it is not tornadic, at least not yet anyway. But I gotta end this here, guys. So yeah, I'll try to, you know, hopefully I'll be able to get more stuff for you. Me working, I only work part-time, so hopefully I will still be still be able to, you know, get a lot more footage for you guys.
Hey, Gavin?
Yeah.
There's another one heading towards Wellington right now.
Okay. Apparently there's another hold on. Is it tornado warning too?
No.
Okay, it's not tornado warning. There's another supercell heading towards Wilmington right now. They just got hit this one, and we're gonna hit this one. But I gotta end this, guys. I'm sorry, but I gotta end this. So I gotta get off here. Leave your comments down below. Okay, I already mentioned that, guys. Sorry. So hopefully I'll see you guys here soon. I don't know when. I don't know when we're supposed to get severe weather. Any more severe weather. I try to predict a little myself too, but I know a lot about weather, but I also rely on a lot of Storm Prediction Center and stuff too. Of course, you know, Storm Prediction Center warns the National Weather Service. They're both part of the same, you know, NOAA, National Atmospheric and Oceanic, sorry, NOAA stands for National Oceanic and I can't even speak. National Weather Service stands for National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, and it consists of the National Weather Service and the Storm Prediction Center. But they're both part of this, but they work together. You know, Storm Prediction Center's job is, you know, they're professional scientists and meteorologists and everything that, you know, look and predict, you know, try to predict where severe weather is going to be, how bad it's going to be, and what the conditions are.
I wanted to point this out real quick. If you look at the base of the supercell, you can see a big dust whirl. This is either a weak tornado or what meteorologists refer to as a gust tornado, which is a weak spin up from a supercell's violent outflow winds.
So yeah, so I don't know when it's going to be. Hopefully it won't be too long. But you know, this is probably the storm, if not the year, at least, you know, the month or two. So yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Never stop chasing.